National University Philippines uphold 5 core values that guide the behavior and character of every Nationalian. First thing is integrity. Integrity at NU is about being honest, fair, and just in all action. It reflects the ethical conduct of individuals, ensuring that they do what is right for everyone at all times. Second is compassion. Compassion demonstrates how much NU values people. It involves understanding and empathizing with others' feelings, treating each other with care and understanding regardless of any situation. Third is innovation. Innovation at NU is about continuously introducing creative change to establish practice, not for the sake of change itself, but with purpose of constantly improving and being responsive to the times. Fourth is resilience. Resilience reflects the strength of character. It is about not being easily discouraged by trials and tribulations, but knowing how to recover and spring back into action, demonstrating perseverance and adaptability. Last thing is patriotism. Patriotism places nationalism at the center of any institution and community. It involves displaying undying and devoted love for the country and everything that it stands for, fostering a sense of national pride and responsibility. So this is the core values are not just principles but are actively embodied by Nationalian in their academic pursuit and community engagement, reflecting the university's dedication to holistic development and societal contribution.